Snapchat Buddy Pass. So this is a new promotional thing from Snapchat where you can get 7 days of Snapchat Plus free for your friends. This is how it looks like if you received this message from your friend, and then you can just tap to claim pass. Also, if you received notification that you have a Buddy Pass, then you will just see it like here. But let me just show you how it works and how you can send to your friends. So here's, for example, Snapchat. What you do, you just then go to your menu. You need to have Snapchat Plus. You just tap on here, and then you see 3 Buddy Passes available. So this is how many you can send to your friends. By the way, I already sent one, and it was saying 2 out of 3, and then the next day it's again says 3 out of 3. So pretty cool. And then you can just tap send Buddy Pass, and you can only send to your friends. You can't just copy the link and share it online, or you can't just copy some kind of promotional code. Nope, only you need to send it to your friends, just like that. And then your friends will just receive it as a message. They can just tap on the message, or they will just go to the Snapchat menu, and then they will see notification that it's available for them. And the cool thing is that your friend can get 7 days of Snapchat Plus completely free, and they don't need to subscribe. They do not need to start a free trial or enter some credit card information or subscribe here like iOS App Store. They don't need to do it. So yeah, pretty cool. So they just basically tap the button and have Snapchat Plus for free for 7 days. And after that, they will just have an option to upgrade to Snapchat Plus normally, like they do right now. So this is kind of like a proven period just to try out. 7 days can be enough to understand whether you want to pay for it or not. For my opinion, if you're a constant user of Snapchat, Snapchat Plus does make sense, especially if you upgrade for a year. Then it's completely kind of cool thing to have. And then you can see here that, you can see here there is also additional plan where you can remove ads, but this is not included in Buddy Pass. The Buddy Pass provides only the cheapest version of Snapchat Plus. So then you can also gift Snapchat Plus as well. So for example, so that's the idea. So anyhow, that's what you have, and there you have it. Pretty cool feature. Again, it was just released recently, and so that's what it is. It was just released, and now it is quite a cool feature. Maybe they're doing this for holidays, for Christmas, but yeah, try it out.